Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for November 29th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. What is going on in crypto world right now? We can see a bounce back basically of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is doing now at 4178 here on CoinMarketCap, and we can see that the market cap is also come back to 135 billion with a volume of yesterday of 20 billion US dollars. So that means a lot of volume yesterday, which kicked back basically Bitcoin at this $4,200 level at this point of time. 4,200 level is definitely a resistance points again. So let's see if we're going through it or we're going to stay like this. Now let's look at the other top 10 coins this morning. Everything is in the green. Bitcoin SV is up 13.7%, doing $96. Hovering around this ninth place again, basically. And what else? Bitcoin Cash up 3%, doing 184, and Ethereum up 6%, doing $118. Now let's look at the top gainers basically. Bitcoin Private up 40%, Sirin Labs token up 38%, Verge up 35%, Komodo up 25%, and Factom up 25%. The coins which have not done that well are Quark Chain 7% down, Raven Coin 2.5% down, Tezos 1% down, and the list goes on. Now let's have a look at basically what's going on. The chart. So here we have the Bitcoin dollar chart, the one-day chart on Bitstamp, and we can see here for the first time basically that the body of this candle is higher than the previous one. This one is still getting made, but as you can see also the body is above it. And here we can see also on the downside that from this very low RSI, a relative strength index, it has come up, it's boomed up, and it's about to come into that 30% range again, but at this point of time it's just hovering around that. So that's something really good to see, that on the daily chart the body of the next candle was higher than the previous well, what is it, nearly 15th of November, meaning last 2 weeks basically, what has been going on. All right, let's continue to the news. So the news comes actually Bitcoin price rallies after institutions show confidence at Consensus Invest. So in New York this week, Consensus Invest had a get together where they were talking basically on the crypto market. More importantly, the institutions which were there, like FANAC Investments, you know, they are, and in this space, in the ETP space, basically, they are one of the largest issuers. They were basically quite positive about it, and talking about the NASDAQ futures, which I talked about yesterday, is also going to be a phenomenal boost basically in the institutional space. And this might be one of the reasons why Bitcoin rallied basically yesterday. So to continue, yes, it is going to be very decisive on how the SEC and the CFTC is going to react on the news which is now coming out on FANAC and on the NASDAQ futures, but we think we're very positive on it as in general. All right, then we look at Switzerland, where the ETP has been launched this week and is getting overwhelming response. So Amun is the company basically which is now on the Swiss exchange 6, and they have been trading their ETF or ETP. For me, it's also not very clear, but Some people are talking about an ETF. Themselves, they're coming out with ETP, exchange traded product. More importantly, it's there and it's getting a lot of traction, a lot of volume as well to start doing and using this ETP on the exchanges. So yeah, let's see how this is going to roll. I think it's very positive news for Switzerland to come up so quickly with this launch. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.